I never came to the beach or stood by the ocean. I never sat by the shore under the sun with my feet in the sand. But you brought me here, and I'm happy that you did. 'Cause now I'm as free as birds catching the wind. I always thought I would sink, so I never swim. I never went boating, don't care how they floating. Sometimes I get so scared of what I can't understand. But here I am, next to you. The sky is so blue, and Malibu. Next to you, Malibu. Next to you. We watched the sun go down as we were walking. I'd spend the rest of my life just standing here talking. You would explain the current as I just smile, hoping that you'll stay the same. Nothing will change and it'll be us just for a while. Do we even exist? That's when I make a wish to swim away with the fish. Is it supposed to be this hard or summer?